Step 1. Installing the front bumper. Place the front bumper in the correct position. Use 2 flathead self-tapping screws and a screwdriver to secure the bumper. Step 2. Installing the front and rear wheels. Slide the wheels onto the axle, add an M8 washer, and use a special tool to securely tighten the locking nuts. The car has versatile all-terrain performance and spring suspension system. Drivable with remote control and manual mode. Then, snap a wheel cover onto each side. Step 3. Installing the steering wheel and front windshield. Connect the wires from the steering wheel and the dashboard. Insert the bolts through both the steering wheel and the rod, and secure it with a nut. Insert the front windshield into the designated slot at the front of the vehicle. Step 4. Installing the backrest, seat, and power connection. To connect the battery, locate the 2 plugs under the seat and press them together until securely connected. Snap the seat backrest and seat into the designated position. Secure with 2 screws using a screwdriver. Step 5. Installing the rear spoiler and spoiler decoration. Snap the spoiler decorations onto the left and right side. Place it into the designated position. Use self-tapping screws and a screwdriver to tighten and secure. 3-point harness is designed to secure the child safely by crossing over their shoulders. The remote control has a power-saving feature and will automatically turn off. Button S is for speed adjustment with 3 speed modes. Multifunctional dashboard, forward or reverse switch, horn button. Music player panel, main power switch, high or low speed switch.